Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about something that many of you have asked me about. How to start investing in stocks if you don't have much money. Whether you're a student, new to finance, or just getting started in your career, investing in stocks can seem overwhelming, especially when you're on a tight budget. But the good news is you don't need a ton of money to get started. Let's dive right into how you can begin building your investment portfolio today. Now, I know the idea of investing can be intimidating, especially when you hear about people making big returns or see headlines about stocks reaching sky-high prices. But you don't need thousands of dollars to start. Let me walk you through some practical steps to start investing with as little as $50 or $100. First, let's quickly cover what investing in stocks actually means. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. If the company does well, the value of your stock can go up, and you make a profit when you sell it. But of course, the stock market can go down, so there's always a risk involved. Don't let that scare you though. With the right strategy, you can start small and grow your wealth over time. It's about consistency, smart choices, and learning as you go. Step 2 is about setting realistic goals. Think about why you want to invest. Are you saving for retirement, building wealth for the future, or just trying to make some extra cash in the short term? Your goals will help you determine how much risk you're willing to take. For example, if you're investing for retirement, you'll likely want to pick safer investments that grow steadily over time. But if you're looking to invest in the short term, you might be open to more risk for potentially higher returns. Next up, step 3. Start with low-cost investments. If you don't have a lot of money, the last thing you want to pay is high fees that eat into your returns. The good news is, there are a lot of affordable options to choose from. One of the best options for beginners is exchange-traded funds, or ETFs for short. ETFs are like baskets of stocks, which means you're automatically diversified, spreading your money across many companies. This helps reduce risk. Many ETFs have low fees, and you can start investing with as little as $10 or $20. Another option is fractional shares. This is a game changer. Fractional shares let you buy a fraction of an expensive stock. For example, if a share of Apple costs $150 and you only have $25 to invest, you could still buy a portion of that Apple stock. Fractional shares make investing more accessible, and they let you get into high-quality companies without needing to buy a whole share. Now let's talk about where you can invest. Choosing the right investment platform is key. Luckily, there are several apps and brokerage accounts that make it easy to start investing with little money. Some examples might be Robinhood, Charles Schwab, or Fidelity. These platforms offer commission-free trading, meaning you don't have to pay extra fees just to buy or sell stocks. Many of them also offer fractional shares, which is perfect if you're working with a smaller budget. Just make sure to do your research. Look at which platform offers in terms of fees, investment options, and educational resources, especially if you're a beginner. Next, let's talk about dollar cost averaging. This is by far the best investment strategy of all time. This is a smart strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money regularly, like $50 every month. No matter what the market is doing, over time, this helps lower the impact of market fluctuations and allows you to buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. By sticking to a consistent schedule, you're investing in a way that takes emotion out of the equation. This approach works well, especially if you're in it for the long term. Finally, step 6. Keep learning and stay patient. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick strategy. You might see ups and downs in the market, and that's normal. The key is to stay the course. Keep learning and adjust your strategy as you gain experience. There are so many great resources out there. Books, podcasts, YouTube channels, and financial blogs. So make it a habit to continue educating yourself. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Alright, to sum it up, getting started with investing in stocks doesn't require a ton of money. By understanding the basics, setting realistic goals, investing in low-cost options like ETFs and fractional shares, choosing the right platform, and staying consistent with your investments, you can start building wealth over time, even if you're working with a small budget. So, what are you waiting for? Stay small, stay consistent, and over time, you'll see your money grow. If you have any questions or if you want me to dive deeper into any of these topics, leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy investing.